Is that cute?
Hey, I'm Brianna.
I'm Delphin.
And welcome back to our channel.
So today we're gonna do a mukbang. So we got McDonald's, we got Coke, we got fries, 20-piece chicken nuggets, Junior, which is fried chicken in a fried chicken sandwich. We got 2 cheeseburgers for me, and we're gonna share 20 chicken nuggets. And
I'm
we're
drinking
just
iced tea, not Coke. I don't do Coke.
so hungry.
Is this the?
I'm so hungry. I'm a messy eater. The whole mess. Like, kids watching. Oh, this looks so good.
Cheers. Oh, I'm not saying properly. Stop.
This is so good. Oh my god, I haven't had a chicken nugget in like 3 days.
I don't. Oh my god, 3 days. I don't usually do McDonald's. If anybody knows me, knows I'm like really anti McDonald's. But yeah.
So we're gonna talk about our worst dates. And just life and anything that happened. So, I mean, my worst date was when I was interested in this guy.
That she met on Tinder.
Yeah. Basically, I met him on Tinder, and I knew him through mutual friends. And we went to chill one night after talking for like 2 weeks.
Oh,
I love the phone. And yeah, I was really interested in him, and we decided to meet at this club with my best friend. And he wanted to go to this other club, so we had to take an Uber. Oh yeah, I just swallowed a big bite. I thought I was gonna die. So yeah, we took the Uber, and he was like, "Oh, can I stop the Uber? I need to pee." And we're like, "Oh, okay."
oh.
Well, that was weird. Like, he was drunk, so.
I mean, there's no excuse. Anyway,
Then we got into this line to go to this other club. Long story short, this girl comes in, she knows him, and everybody knew we were coming together. And she started kissing him in front of me.
oh.
Yeah. And she wasn't his girlfriend or whatever, they were just like,
I mean, kind of benefits
they were just friends.
with other stuff.
Yeah. So that was weird. I left and we never talked again.
I hope, because like that's sad. I've literally like never had a worst date because they're all pretty basic. Like we just do basic stuff.
Like go to the movies or something.
Yeah, but it was with the person I had the date with. I mean, I didn't have much information on that person from the start, so that was already weird. And he didn't have like any social media or anything, which is again weird. I understand if you don't have like Instagram or stuff like that, but at least one account. But
Like at least a LinkedIn or something, you know? Like I don't know. An old MySpace, nothing. Like,
yeah, nothing. And then the thing I did where we did like our detective stuff, and we never found out who he was, and it turned out that he was 30 and I was 18 back then, and that's sad.
Yo, my burger is so dry, I'm not even enjoying it.
So there's nothing inside.
We wanted to do this big mukbang and everything. We're for sure not gonna eat all of that.
I have a question.
Yeah.
When we first met,
Yeah.
what was your first impression of me?
I guess my first impression of you, I thought you were funny. Okay, but yeah, I thought you were funny because like all I remember of you back when we met was I remember we were laughing and then like you went up into the door, remember? And you jumped into the door and then the door closed, and I thought it was so funny.
I don't remember that.
I thought it was really funny for some reason, and I was like,
I like her. She's funny.
oh, they didn't even put in my chicken.
Did you see that? It went in. Did you? Two last chicken nuggets because I am full. So as the pen is dying, soon this channel will just be Brianna. But anywho.
Okay, so
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
thank you for watching this very inconsistent mukbang. But it's okay. I mean, we're not human garbage, so we're not gonna gulp down all this food. That wasn't funny.
Okay, so thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. We're not hungry anymore. I feel like I talked the whole time and you were just looking at me.
Yeah.
That's friendship for you.
Thank you for watching, and we'll be back with more videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, like we said in our first video, if possible.
Yeah, so stay tuned. More fun stuff to come.